I'm excited to share with you today some of the new capabilities we're adding to Power Virtual Agents as part of our 2019 release Wave 2. Power Virtual Agents makes creating bots simple. With its easy-to-use graphical interface, you can create, test, deploy, and maintain your bot without needing to write code. Our bot authoring canvas provides powerful tools that enable your bot to interact naturally with your customers. With Power Virtual Agents, conversational AI is now available to everyone. Let me show you how easy it is. Let's look at the bot I created previously. One of the most important components of a bot are topics, which is your bot content. Let me show you the list of topics. You can see that I have some system topics here and some new ones I created above. Let's look at the select camping gear. You can see I have trigger phrases at the top and logics beneath it. Let's see what I have so far. I'm interested in camping gear. You can see that the text I entered does not need to match any of the trigger phrases. This is the power of natural language processing. Now, let's take a look at some of the newest features we are releasing in GA. When your bot talks to your customers, it is important to understand what they are saying and to capture the right response to the bot questions. For that, we have entities. Entities in natural language understanding represent the information that the bot can pick out of a conversation with a customer. Of course, we want to make the things easy for you, so the bot comes with pre-built entities which covers common information like age, colors, numbers, names, and so on. But you can define your own custom entities which are specific to your domain. Perhaps you work on automotive industry and car models are important. Or maybe you are in the pharmaceutical industry. Thus, drug components might be important to you. You can define those as custom entities, and your bot will understand when your customers types them in. Alright, so here we are in our bot entity list. You can see that we already have a great set of pre-built entities here. But what if you want to define a new entity? Well, I can easily create a new one from here. I have this one already created for camping gear. Let me add a new item here. Let's add backpack. Let me trigger the camping topic I've created before. I'm interested in camping gear. It is asking me what I'm looking for. I'll say backpack. At each step of the way, you can see where I am. And the bot understands it is the item from my custom entity. It asks me what color, and I'll say red. It matches the color from the pre-built entity. You can see how powerful this becomes as I really customize the bot to my business. Another great new feature is the ability to avoid asking repetitive questions rather than blindly following the topic dialog. The bot will be parsing the customer's response to see if they have already provided that information early in the conversation, and will simply skip over the question in the topic dialog tree. Let's see this in action. Here, I'll use the same topic I showed before. I'm interested in camp gear. Let's try to ask for a red backpack. The bot skipped the color question, and as you can see on the tracing, it automatically filled in the color with red. It's smart enough to understand that the word red was identifying the color for the backpack. If you have a question that you explicitly don't want the bot to skip, you can disable this functionality. In this release, we also added the ability to quickly populate your bot with content by extracting FAQs from existing websites. This gives you a great set of starting topics, which you can then add to. Our AI-assisted authoring capability extracts data automatically from your source sites. Let me show you how easy it is. I will import this Minecraft FAQ page. I'll paste it in, click Add, and Start. After a couple of minutes, all the topic suggestions from the page will be imported. You can see that it imported the question, trigger phrases, and all the associated answers. I can go through and select which ones I want to accept and promote to topics. This is a great way to get your bot up and running from your existing content. The next item I want to talk about is using Power Automate in the bot. This is a really powerful tool where you can call external actions from your bot. You can expand your bot capability to anything Power Automate can do, including calling APIs or leveraging one of the hundreds of pre-built connectors. This enables you to light up powerful scenarios with your bot, calling backend systems to retrieve data and take actions on the customer's behalf. Let's take a look at how that's done in a topic. Let me open the scheduling topic that I already created. You can see that a flow is called to retrieve the next available schedule slots from our scheduling service. Let me open the test bot and trigger this topic. You can see that it calls the flow, which communicates with our scheduling service and returns the available time slots. So you can imagine how powerful this becomes. You can expand your bot capabilities to so much more than just a simple chat. Great. So let's look at our next feature, user authentication. We enable personalized scenarios by having your customer sign in and have your bot to take actions on your user's behalf. In this release, we are supporting any identity provider compatible with OAuth 2, and that includes MSA, AAD, Facebook, and many others. Let's take a look at how this works. Let me trigger a topic I created that has user authentication. You can see that it prompts me with a login button. Once I click it, I'm taken to my identity provider authentication page, where I can enter my username and password. And then the bot will have a token to make calls with it. In this case, it fetched my username information, but of course it can do much more. And the last feature I want to cover in this release is publish to channels. I've been showing our test bot within the canvas so far. You can also publish your bot to a demo site so you can share it with colleagues to try it out. You can configure your bot for use on a website, perhaps your company's site or portal, but you can also enable your bot on other messaging platforms like Microsoft Teams or Facebook Messenger, or even our mobile apps. We have many common channels available so you can reach your customers wherever they are. Here, I'm showing it in Teams, and as you can see, I can talk to my bot in this channel the same way I did on our local test bot. All with a simple channels configuration of your bot.